Hey baby. So yeah, it's a strange kind of storm. This morning it was all coming down and it was very wet, and it was just like chunks of wet. Let me try to see if you can see this. It's all like mushy slush, and this is what was coming down all this morning. And then for a couple of hours it was this fluffy white snow that's kind of settled on top of it. But yeah, it's going to be pretty nasty. I was going to go to the Social Security office, but they're closed now. But here's the parking lot, and it's pretty well snowed in, so there's no... This guy's trying to get out. They haven't cleared the roads yet this morning, so it's going to take a little bit of time before it's safe to get out. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. The main road out there where everybody's driving is probably pretty clear. I'm not going to walk down there right now, but I'll show you next time. Alright, baby. Take care.